Hello, what is up YouTube? I was having issues with my touchpad this morning and I was trying to fix it. So I searched YouTube and a lot of them said, you need to restore your system, restore your factory settings, you need to, recover and all this stuff. But I actually found an easy fix. I'm having an Asus F555 series laptop and the Asus touchpad stuck up. So what I did was a really easy fix. I went to device manager, went to my and other pointing devices. So it actually showed up as Asus touchpad. I right clicked and give uninstall. So the first time I simply uninstalled it. So what happens when you do it first time is I'll give you an example with my network adapters. Go cancel. So right click, uninstall, and you can see a checkbox. So the first time I didn't check this, so I simply uninstalled and restarted the system. So it started working again, but it still showed up as Asus touchpad, and after a few minutes it stuffed up again. So second time I right clicked, uninstall, and the little checkbox, I checked it, so it's uninstalling and removing the software from the system, Asus software from the system. And I restarted and it showed up like this. It's HID compliant mouse and it's working fine, no issues so far. So I think this could be a generic basic device driver software that Windows installs for its basic hardware. So it may not have all those fancy gestures, swipe from the left, swipe from the top, three finger swipe, and all this stuff. And I don't use them anyway. But my mouse is back working, and if I want the other options, I might install the Asus custom software at the later stage. But yeah, easy enough. And you can actually use the same device manager to fix a lot of other hardware issues like wireless issues. I had laptops which had wireless issues, so right click, uninstall, and sometimes what happens is it uninstalls and it doesn't show up. So what you actually do is go to view and show hidden devices. So it lists everything that's in your computer, and if if proper software is not installed, it will show up like a little yellow triangle sort of thing, and you right click and update software, or hit install, and it will go online and search for the software and things like that. Search automatically and update software. If you connect it to internet, the Windows will search the drivers for you and install it for you. And normally it does it when you restart the system. So yeah, I hope this is an easy fix and it fixes your problems if you're having issues with your touchpad. Yeah, very easy. I hope it helps someone, and thank you very much for watching. And if you like this video, please thumbs up, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. See you guys later.